Math of class 10, exercise 2.4, lecture number 2, and this is also question number 2 of exercise 2.4. Equation is given 4x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. So you will find out the value of a, b, c, and then as alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, so you will find out alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. I think very clear up to here. Now 4 parts are given. First part is find the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Addition of fractions, so alpha into beta is LCM. 1 over alpha, 1 over beta write separately in the rough work, but that will be a part of a neat work. So 1 over alpha, first fraction multiplied by the LCM, alpha into beta. So alpha and alpha are cancelled. What is left? Beta is left over here. So similarly 1 over beta multiplied by LCM, so beta is cancelled, so alpha multiplied by 1, alpha is left over here. So you have alpha plus beta over alpha into beta. Alpha plus beta is 5 over 4 divided by alpha into beta is 3 over 2. So 5 over 4 as it is. This division is changed by sign of multiplication and you will write its reciprocal. It will become 2 over 3. 2 1 times, 2 2 times. So here it is left 5. Here you have 2 1 times, so 2 2 times. Here it is 2. So 3 into 2 6. So this is the answer. Now coming to second part, you need the value of alpha square into beta square. So you will write alpha into beta whole square, substitute the value and get the answer. Third part is important. First again you need the LCM. Remember, common is always the lowest power, but LCM is always the highest power. So alpha power 1, alpha power 2, alpha square will come in the LCM. Similarly beta power 1 and beta power 2, highest power is beta square. So alpha square into beta square. This is the LCM. Now you write the first fraction multiply by LCM, write the second fraction multiply by the LCM. So here alpha square is cancelled, beta power 1 is cancelled, so what is left? Only beta power 1 is left. Similarly alpha power 1 is left over here. So alpha plus beta 5 over 4 divided by, I have written in this way. If you want to write in that way, even it can be written, and then alpha into beta is 3 over 2 and whole square. So substitute the values and get the answer. Last step is very important one, fourth part. This is alpha square over beta plus beta square over alpha. This is the fourth part, and by using these values you have to find the value of this one. So first of all what you will do, you will take LCM of denominator. So LCM of denominator will be alpha into beta or beta into alpha. Anyway, now it is important what it will come over here. Sorry. Alpha square over beta, first fraction multiplied by the LCM. So look at here, beta and beta are cancelled. So alpha square multiplied by alpha mean alpha power 1. So alpha square into alpha power 1 will become alpha cube. Similarly here it will become beta cube. Now if you remember the formula of a plus b whole cube, it is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. So this is written myself plus 3 times, I will write it with minus 3 times. So added as well as subtracted. So now alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta times alpha plus beta. This will make alpha plus beta whole cube, and this will come as it is minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta and divided by alpha into beta, which is LCM. Now you substitute the values, and after substituting the values you will come over here 5 over 4 whole cube, which is 125 over 64. This will become 3 into 3 9. And 9 multiplied by 5 is 45, 4 into 2 8, and this division is changed by multiplication sign and reciprocal will be 2 over 3. So 125 over 64 minus 45 over 8. Again LCM is needed. This is 64, this is 8. LCM is 64. So multiply by 8, multiply by 8. So 8 multiplied by 8, 64, this is also 64. So 64 is LCM, 125 as it is. 45 multiplied by 8 is 360, minus sign as it is. Anyway, now when you will simplify it, you will get minus 235 over 96. Thank you very much.